Hi everyone, this is Love Crafty Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the weekly spread in my happy planner. So for this week, this is officially the week of Valentine's. I thought I would use a Valentine stickers. Now it's not a free printable. I actually got these stickers from a subscription that I'm part of, Planner Envy. If you haven't seen that unboxing of the February box, I'll have a link to that, and I'll also have a link for March because March already came out and I got it and I love what I got for that. So in the box I got 3 packs of stickers, and one of the stickers I already had planned in the head that I'm going to use it for this week, and that is this one right here. I think it's so cute. So you get 2 sheets and you get a lot of cute stuff in here. Now obviously I'm not going to use every single sticker because I don't use everything, but I am going to use a lot of these. And then all I got to do right now is prep the pages and then get the washi tapes and then put the spread together. So continue watching and see how it all turns out. So here's a final look to put in the weekly spread. I love the way it came out, and I love the washi tapes I chose as well. I've been wanting to use more of this one right here because it's so big. It doesn't fit in the box where I keep my washi tapes, but I think I may have made a dent, so maybe I'm able to put it into the box and close the lid on it. So overall though, it came out really nice. I kept it simple just because I do need to do a lot this week. So I need a lot of space for writing. I didn't want to add too many stickers. I do have a lot of leftover stickers. I'm going to show you what I have left over. I have a lot of these. Of course, these I can use as fillers for future spreads, so that's why I'm going to keep that to the side. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.